You've been looking for DedSec. Why's that?
Oh, there you are, dear. It's just lovely what you've done for the neighborhood. Those Albion thugs were becoming a bloody nuisance. Of course, now they've got their dander up. They're looking to strike back against the borough.
What do you mean?
A group of us have taken the initiative to help the community. And given the current environment, we've had to do it quietly, you understand? Under Albion noses.
Sounds familiar. You've got our blessing. But I've a feeling you won't be asking for it.
Let's just say you inspired us, and leave it at that. But now, I found out that Albion are planning a series of raids in Hackney. We can't survive that. Unless you help us. If you can intercept them before they strike, we'll have time to move our operation somewhere safer. I've got my hands on a little device that will allow you to zip around the borough quick as you please. Be a dear and handle this for me, would you?
I'm on it.
Scanning the area for suspicious behavior.
Right then, there's no time to chit-chat. Albion have synchronized their raid teams. I'll feed you the locations as I get them. You take them down. Well, go on, you're wasting time.
This drone has been modified, slightly faster with better armor, but its maximum altitude is restricted. Also, Albion is using CTOS to monitor the borough. They could shut it down if you fly too high. Time to buzz the streets.
That looks like a bloody good time, but don't dilly-dally. Off to the next one before they launch their raid.
Look sharp, you've got Albion drones heading your way.
Move along.
Investigation underway.
Well done, but no time to wait. Head to the next location. Excellent. You've got them scrambling. Here's the next one. Now hurry over there before they let loose.
Scanning the area for suspicious behavior.
Right then, there's no time to chit-chat. Albion have synchronized their raid teams. I'll feed you the locations as I get them. You take them down. Well, go on, you're wasting time.
This drone has been modified, slightly faster with better armor, but its maximum altitude is restricted. Also, Albion is using CTOS to monitor the borough. They could shut it down if you fly too high. Time to buzz the streets.
That looks like a bloody good time, but don't dilly-dally. Off to the next one before they launch their raid.
Look sharp, you've got Albion drones heading your way.
Well done, but no time to waste. Head to the next location. Excellent. You've got them scrambling. Here's the next one. Now hurry over there before they let loose. Should do it. This is bloody brilliant. Now go on, hurry. Of them. Well bloody done. That was bloody brilliant. A raid like that would have broken our spirit, turned the borough into Albion bootlickers. You showed some grit there, love.
Right back at you. I reckon they stopped making the cloth that you're cut from, love.
This old bird still has some pluck in her, and so does this neighbourhood, thanks to you.
Nah, it was nothing. Albion wins if we let them divide us. So let's not let them.
Well said. Goodbye, dear, and stay in touch.
Sounds like Hackney and Islington are ready to rise up and defy Albion. Couldn't ask for a better result. Oh, DedSec.
Very nice.
out there. Can't believe this is happening.
What the fuck?
Mess with the wrong one this time, I swear. Really?
You've been looking for DedSec. Why's that?
Too right. Chuffed at how you've been kicking Albion's ass all over the borough. And I got some information that could turn the tide. See, Albion runs this clinic called a realignment centre. Runs some dodgy experiments out of there.
What do you mean?
They mess with people's brains. Had a mate who'd take the piss out of Albion every chance he had. Came out of there a different bloke. Week later, he was dead. Killed himself.
Christ, that's terrible. Makes me want to realign a few Albion faces. Where are we heading?
Renewal therapy. Run the place out of the walkie-talkie. If you get word out of what's really going on in there, I know the people here would rise up against Albion.
That's terrible. Can't promise nothing, but we'll have a poke around.
That's what they do.
Here's a shocking turn. There are no public records for Albion's realignment centre.
No kidding.
However, the building plans show the clinic can be accessed via the penthouse. Going up.
Bloody listen.
What do you want me to say?
Facts and figures are trivial. Humans are self.
They're not just going to let you walk into their illegal brainwashing clinic. Hack a CTOS box and let's have a look inside.
You know, I don't mind cooking everything. I have a actually realized
Your torn little one.
That's curious.
Let's get nosy then.
Absolutely, but our best bet is to find some security footage. Expose that Albion have been brainwashing people in here.
If you are wondering, no, these aren't volunteers. Apparently, the program has been administered to a number of promising candidates. Not surprisingly, all are quite vocally anti-Albion. What are the chances? Listen to this. Patients experience total loss of appetite and intense hallucinations, but conditioning has been successful with reapplication. So, this is an ongoing treatment. Who wants to sign up? Albion have been experimenting with behavior modification through electroshock, hypnosis, and drugs. A little more rigorous than a night out at the local. Keep looking.
What, it's not enough for Albion to control what people do. Now they have to control what people think. It's fucking horrific.
That kind of mucking around the old noggin can drive a bloke mad, like it did my mate.
Let's find the information we need and then a way to shut down this place.
That's the footage. Ready to go?
Not until we burn this place down.
Right. If you can get me past their firewall, I think we can put an end to renewal therapy in this borough of London. Now, how are you supposed to bypass this security network all the way out there? If only you could fly, like a bird. Oh, or like a drone. Hack a drone, Vicky.
Grand.
That'll do it. My, they've really gone all out on this one, haven't they? Just get through that firewall and we can put this clinic out of business. Done. You should get out of there before anyone notices.
I have to take a bit of this.
Beautiful. They'll have to shut down that clinic now. No one will have to go through what my mate did again. We're with you in this fight, DedSec. Albion are gonna get the short end around here from now on. Bugger me. We owe ya.
Well done, Tim. We did it.
I'd be well chuffed to spread the word about that. Thanks again.
And just like that, Albion has been eliminated from this borough. Well, maybe not totally, but at least you've shown everyone around here how to wipe up the filth. Well done.
Hey.
Yo, Wagwan. You're DedSec, innit? Yeah, I can tell. You got that hard look, yeah? Big ups on booting Albion's arse all over the ends. Ah, big ups. Them Albion pagans are the reason a lot of these people are out here. Do you know what I mean? No jobs, no flat to live in. And worse, Albion's been hoarding supplies. Food, toilet paper, and whatever's meant for shelters and kitchens. They're getting fat off all that.
The fuckers. Point me at the stockpile then. I'll get your supplies back.
Oh, allow that, cuz. It's not what I'm on about. I need this for ourselves, you get me? Get our hands dirty. You showed us that. But I might need some help keeping the Albion mercs from bashing heads, you get me? A distraction like. Got some fast wheels you can use, you know. You blaze around the borough while we pull the job. You in?
This will be fun.
Yeah, you alright,
I spend too much time online.
You're gonna start with this too. What do you need from me about this? I go for
Right, cuz, we're in position. You primed? Kick it!
Point the power! Albion moves out of the hamlet!
Faster you blaze through the borough, better. Cause damage and get attention. Slow down and Albion will come after our asses, cuz. Do what you gotta do to get their attention.
Easy.
Take back the borough! Tower Hamlet is yours, not theirs! We will fight Albion to our last breath! We will never surrender! Rise up against your oppressors! Albion breathe fear! Get Albion mercenaries off our streets!
Another lorry full. Keep going. We're gonna clean out this place.
Every Albion soldier in the borough is after you. Let's give them a show, shall we?
We've been blocked off.
Albion has been hoarded, keeping supplies from those who need them. You!
Control. A bystander has been hit. Received, we are in pursuit.
Stand up with us! Don't bow down to Albion rule!
Control, please bring back up to my location. Over.
This is a call to rise up, united, fight Albion oppression!
Shit! Watch it! Preparing to ram suspect vehicle.
Almost got it all, cuz. Keep going.
Danger.
We're gonna give you and
Vehicle in
everyone else in
critical
the borough a
condition.
shot.
Please exit immediately.
Mercenaries on our streets will not be tolerated! Rise up!
Suspect cleared the checkpoint.
Immobilizing the suspect.
I saw this bloody great show the other night. Smoke, just like a pub. Oh God, the energy. There wasn't a single person in there who wasn't trapped.
Right, cuz, we're in position. You primed? Kick it!
Fight the power! Albion moves out of the hamlet!
Faster you blaze through the boroughs, better. Cause damage and get attention. Slow down and Albion will come after our asses, cuz. Do what you gotta do to get their attention.
Easy.
All units, I repeat, shit, all units. Reports of a hostile in your area. Over.
Take back the borough! Tower Hamlets is yours, not theirs! We will fight Albion to our last breath! We will never surrender! Rise up against your oppressors! Albion breathe fear! The Albion mercenaries off our street!
Another lowering force. Keep going. We're gonna clean out this place.
Every Albion soldier in the borough is after you. Let's give them a show, shall we?
Albion has been hoarded, keeping supplies from those who need them.
They crossed the channel.
You!
Take the vehicle out, now!
Control.
Stand up
pursuing
with
the
us!
suspect.
Don't bow down to Albion rule!
Force them to a stop.
Proceed, we're going to ram the target.
This is a call to rise up, united, fight Albion oppression!
Going in for a tactical ram.
Almost got it all, cuz. Put it up. Keep going. We're gonna give you and everyone else in the borough a show. Trust me.
Mercenaries on our streets will not be tolerated! Rise up! Right! Go for it, DedSec!
Let's maybe agree that immigrants and trans people.
Well, that's one way to get the blood pumping.
Oh, that was brill. I don't even care if my wheels are trash. We got everything out of that warehouse, and the people know Albion was holding. This is gonna get everyone in the ends on board, you know.
I hope you see that it does. DedSec does what we can, but at the end of the day, it's the people of London who have to take London back.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying, cuz. Just don't lose my digits, all right? Cheers.
Tower Hamlets is ready to defy Albion, all because of what we've done. Got to be proud of that.
Very nice.
Back when I had that problem with my old boss, I gave her 20 quid and she can't do business. I mean, I guess I don't really know if it's anything.
You're one of them DedSec types been giving Albion a pain, right? People in the borough have noticed. That's why I rang you. Figured you'd be interested in giving them one more good swift kick in the bollocks.
I'm listening.
Them Albion twats have turned one of the city's landmarks into a fucking propaganda machine, and it ain't sitting well with the natives. The eye, well, it's a symbol of London, innit? A symbol for the people. Public, accessible, in the heart of London. But Albion have stamped their mark on the bloody thing. The only thing we see when we look at it now is a symbol of our oppression. Shows it plain to the world too. Bloody drain on the people's morale.
No problem. We've thrown our fair share of spanners into Albion's propaganda machine anyway.
You have to knock out some electronic security first. And for that, you'll need a little summit from one of them barges on the river. Which means clearing the defences on the barge first, of course. But that's a doddle for the likes of you, right?
All right. I'll give it a go.
What way are you going? Easy.
Let's not get involved with these wankers.
Apologies.
Movement during the scan.
Yeah, I'm holding as still as I can.
Scanning. Clear. Move along.
I knew everything was in order.
Take this ticket back, will you?
Well, this is exciting. The console on this barge is a control hub for prototype counter-terrorism drones. You can use one to destroy electronic security measures on the wheel.
Scanning for potential threats.
These are the only prototype CT drones I've seen, so have fun with these while they last. And I can't imagine Albion will just let you fuck about with their most expensive toys, so be ready for some kind of response.
I think this one's had its pottage.
You're putting on quite a show. Look at them sparks fly. That's as good as Guy Fawkes like that is.
Destroy the remaining electronic security stations and you'll be able to scrub this propaganda.
Complete a data transfer. Upload a more positive message for the people.
Now that's a beautiful sight. I think I'm getting teary-eyed over here, seeing the wheel the way it should be. I won't be the only one either.
I don't like any monument being made to stand up for tyranny. Wonder what it means now. Suppose we get to decide that, don't we?
You just said a mouthful, and I doubt the borough would have woke up without you giving us the kick up the arse we needed. Thanks, DedSec.
Last week I missed it by so much I found myself in a neighborhood over.
This is going to ignite.
Criminals!
Coming this way more often.
You fascists!
I got stuck behind some smooth little rich girl
We don't need you here.
and she's actually offering to bribe the guards.
Yes, man, it was sick.
Hey, who needs a device hack?
Oh, hi. Are you with... Oh, how do I put this? I recently reached out to some people who... Fuck. This is impossible.
Calm down. I'm DedSec.
Shite. That's a relief. Can't be too careful, right? With them Albion wankers. But you... I don't know if you understand how much people appreciate what you've done in Southwark.
Thanks.
Well, get this. I've done a little bit of hacking myself, right? Real quiet. Don't dig too deep where they might have caught on, but guess what I found? Albion's Global Information Centre is right here in London. Global! You understand? Everything's run out of there. Coordinated, like operations, tactical, whatever. Even finances. The sheer amount of data is... The server banks needed to manage all this shite are huge.
Well, if Albion's global operations are anything like this, we'd certainly be doing a lot of people a favour. All right then, sign us up.
Christ, can't believe this is... Okay, it's all in Nexus Tower. Do this, and it'll really rally the borough, DedSec.
This is a huge opportunity to really stick it to Albion. Not just here, but everywhere they operate. Everywhere they're stomping on human rights.
The server floor is accessed by elevator, and seeing how this is pretty much Albion's global war room, expect heavy security.
All units, proceed to alarm location.
Suspect not at last known position.
it! Bloody muppet! Is that the best you've got?
I'm ending this now. Don't bother hiding. Show yourself.
Come on, direct it!
Sending location on a 1033. Advised conditions.
A no-human zone? How refreshing. So clean, so organised, so peaceful. They follow strict environmental controls in the server silos. Luckily, you can take control over the maintenance drones.
The easiest way to completely scramble their information center would be to cause a surge in the power core.
What do we do?
They use high-capacity battery banks to ensure backup power. If you can find one, simply drop it in the core and that'll do it.
I'll see what I can dig up.
Drop this battery bank in the core and Albion logistics, done. Tactical assessment, kaput. Whatever operational algorithms they rely on, all gone. Get to it. Goes Albion's Global Information Center. How about we let the people of Southwark know? I have an idea.
The whole fucking borough had to say that. Now, if that doesn't fill him up with piss and vinegar, I don't know what will.
Add this to everything else you've done in Southwark. The people are going to back you, DedSec. So am I. You can call on me if you think I can be of help. Anytime. Cheers.
This is what we do. And someday we might ask for a hand doing it. Well, that's one way to get the blood pumping.
The news that Albion's Global Operations Center is out of commission is bound to get people thinking that things are on the outs for Albion. You did well.
Thanks.